Alrighty guys, welcome back. Good morning. It's like 10 in the morning. Coming out here, working on the Excursion, getting at it bright and early. Look at that. Got a little bit of rain last night. She's all nice and clean and shined up. It looked beautiful when garage door was opening up, and then saw that beautiful front end. New headlights coming soon on it, so make sure to watch out for that video, guys. Just ordered new headlights this morning. So the style I'm doing for the headlights are going to be 05 through 07 headlights, kind of like this style. These are a little bit like fogged up right here, but I'm getting brand new ones and they are tinted, so I'm getting tinted 05 through 07 front headlights, so it should definitely open up the front end a lot more and make it look a lot better. So we're not really worried about that today. We're currently worried about inside the truck, the door speakers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something for you guys real quick. Let's go ahead and hop in the Excursion here. So my front door speakers have been, like, I don't know really what it is, but the front door speakers really haven't worked since I did my stereo and my subs back there. They just really haven't worked. My rear door speakers, they've all worked. And let me just show you guys real quick while that's turned on. So we got speakers here, and because it's an Excursion, we got speakers back here. And so these two and these two, so all four of these work. It's not the front two for some reason. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop in here so the dinging stops. And well, the antenna from this truck is now on that truck, so I can't really give you guys a demo, but either way, front door speakers don't work in this truck. Alrighty guys, so to start this job, you're gonna need a 7mm ratchet, and the next thing you need is a flathead screwdriver, but a key will also work. So there's a reflector down here. You can go ahead and pop this off very carefully with your key. I know you guys didn't really see that, but right here's the notch. Put your key in there, pops right out. You can do it with the flathead screwdriver too. You don't have to. Behind this little guy, there will be a bolt, and you are going to want to get your 7mm on it and take that bolt out. Next, what you can do is pop off this here. Just so your door panel can go up. The next, where's my key? There's my key. Go ahead and you might want a flathead screwdriver. This one's like on there pretty good, but you're gonna want to pry up on this. I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver. Okay. So now, just gonna want to pry up on this here. Just gonna get this thing unstuck here. You gotta pry it up at the top. There you go. Until it goes, don't break anything. So just get it up out of there. It's out. So you can go ahead and unplug these all. And then there's one more bolt right here. Now it's kind of a pain to get these things out. First one's unplugged. Alright, finally got it off. As you can see, this is where the 4 connectors connect, and here's all 4 of them. So now, if you leave this thing sitting here carefully, take your 7mm and take out your last bolt. It's only 2 bolts and the door will come off. So, oh wow, that was surprisingly loose. Now, it's pretty much just as simple as trying to lift the door off like that. There you go. Oh, there's one more thing. The light bulb for the door. So, now, our door panel's off. Okay. That was easy enough. Alright, I got the right size. Let's go ahead and get this door speaker out, shall we? There's our old dingy door speaker. No wonder it got blown. Get that connector off, and there's one of our old door speakers. Alright, here's one of our new door speakers here. Alrighty guys, and here's our new door speaker. They're 6x8s, by the way. As the front door size, they're 6x9s in the rear. But for your front doors, you're gonna want 6x8s. now that we have our speaker here, we're gonna need to get our adapters here. So this will plug into this plug down here, right here. There you go. Now that's plugged in. So now you're going to want to take your speaker. That lines up just like that. You can start putting the bolts back in. Door panel is now secured. Just have to go ahead, plug all these back in, put that in along with the one bolt. Snap this back on, put the bolt back in right there along with the reflector, and then we'll move on to the next door. Door is officially now reassembled with the new kicker speakers in the door. I'd say it looks pretty good. Time to move on to the next door. And with that, brand new kicker driver door speaker installed along with the passenger side front door speaker. As you guys can see, they sound pretty good. Now I just gotta mess with them inside the new stereo here and get the truck all cleaned up. So that is it for today's video. Leave a like if you guys did enjoy, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already, and make sure to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new daily video from me. And with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. And with that, I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.